Hello everyone, and welcome to this very first edition of BC Renovation Magazine. Today I want to give you a tour of our latest renovation that we've just finished. We have sold this home and the new owner's taking it over next week. But I just want to give you a little look at what we do. So this is a 1982 General Home Systems double-wide mobile home. We've gone through this home inside out, top to bottom, and completely restored it and updated it. Here you can see where we've done the new fascias. We've done a stepped fascia. We retained the old siding, the metal siding, and have just repainted it. That is the original ribbed siding on there, aluminum. We've installed the new windows. We've done trim around the windows. On the bottom here we've taken off the old vinyl siding, and there was vinyl horizontal siding there, and we've put this cedar siding, so it's stained. So over here we've built a new deck, new railings. Again, carried the cedar theme around. This home is located in Western Canada, and the design theme that we've chosen here is what we call a West Coast contemporary design. You can see that the home sits on a nice corner lot here. This home is in a park that has about 100 homes in it. A very cold day today. We had a very cold night last night. That is the front door there. Coming down around the corner here, you can have a look down the street there a little bit. This is the parking space for this home. It's two cars, parking for 2 cars here. You can see that this home sits up on a little bit of a knoll here on the corner. Landscaping on this is quite nice. You can't see it at this time of the year. It doesn't show with the snow on the ground. But lots of rock work here. Lots of evergreens. We've got the wood steps up to this concrete paver landing here. Let's take you for a little walk around the back here. Here again we have the concrete pavers. Come back to a little area here where the garbage cans are. There's a side yard here. That storage shed there is part of the property. Here you can see a little closer view of the way we've done the windows. These are all new windows, vinyl windows with double pane. Low E glass, argon filled. So we put new vinyl skirting on this home. It's got new eave troughs and downpipes. This is the back of the home. So that's the back door there. There's a little deck there, a little place for a barbecue. That's one of the living room windows there. That's access to the crawl space underneath the home. Air conditioner. The home is air conditioned. Now we'll just go up the stairs here to the main deck. Nice bright sunny day. This is the front door. This home has a pretty nice view of the mountains over there. So we've just sold this home. The sale price was $272,500. And that's it for the outside, folks. Next time we'll take you for a little tour of the inside of this home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Bye for now.